Today we will see the 2 rook checkmate. So can you see on the board we have 2 rooks, 1 king, and black has 1 king. Okay, so now what's happening? These 2 rooks are controlling the 5th and 6th rank. Okay.
Yes.
And our rook in the 6th rank is actually controlling the 6th rank. That's why the king will not come up. Okay.
Yes.
Now what is our next priority? We have to control our 7th rank.
Yes, ma'am.
So to control that, what we need to do, we need to give this check. Now again what's happening? Now again both these rook are controlling our 6th and 7th rank, and as this rook in the green is controlling the 6th rank, so the king can't come up, so it has to go back here. Now you can actually give this check, and this is a checkmate. Now both our rooks are controlling the 7th and 8th rank, and the king has no place to go, so it is a checkmate. Okay.